In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down a video in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a dramatic touch to your presentation or just want to ensure your audience catches every detail, slowing down a video can make a big difference. Let's get started, and you'll see how simple and effective this technique can be. To begin with, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design open with the video element you'd like to adjust. If you haven't got Canva open yet, take a moment to set it up and navigate to your specific project, because we'll need that project accessible as we walk through the steps. Once you're ready, locate the video file within your design. You can typically find this in the timeline or directly on the canvas. Go ahead and click once on the video. It's important to do this because selecting the video tells Canva that this is the element we're going to work with. This step leads into every other option we'll need. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a variety of icons appear when the video is selected. Among these icons is one marked as the speed icon. Clicking on the speed icon is crucial because it opens up the settings that allow us to adjust the video speed. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if it's your first time, you should have no trouble finding it. Once you click this icon, you'll see a slider appear. This slider is your tool for controlling the speed of your video. Now comes the fun part. To slow down your video, all you need to do is click on the slider and drag it to the left. Moving it to the left decreases the playback speed, resulting in a slower video. As you adjust the slider, you might want to preview your video to ensure it's at the right speed. Slowing it down too much might make it look unnatural, while not enough might not achieve the desired dramatic effect. I recommend tweaking it a bit and playing back the video until you hit that sweet spot. A good practice is to incrementally slow it down and see how that aligns with your vision for the finished product. And there you have it. You've successfully slowed down your video using Canva. This feature not only enhances presentations, but can also be great for tutorials or any content where viewers benefit from a closer look. Don't forget to save your changes once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other videos on our channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy designing, and until next time.